Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you. Let's see how you're doing, Scorpio, now, how your person is doing, and what action can we expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thanks for being here again and supporting the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. And of course, if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so Scorpio, for the duration of this reading, I'm taking out two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. Okay. And action card for you and action card for both of you, A and B, whichever side you're on. Under my deck, the overall energy is the 10 of Wands. Feeling very overwhelmed right now regarding something, Scorpio. This could be you feeling this way, this could be your partner, maybe the both of you. This has become too much of a burden to carry, right? Okay. So from person A's end, I feel they feel there's a lack of communication between the two of you. Maybe they see their person as not wanting to have anything to do with them, not wanting to connect with them or talk to them or grow with them. And where person B is concerned, they, I think, have started something brand new in their life. They're very passionately excited about some choice that they've made for themselves. Maybe it's a choice which doesn't include person A. I don't know. What I'm going to do, Scorpio, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. Okay? So Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. And Scorpio, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. And I'm going to take a few more from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person. I think we're good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here that I have says, it's sometimes hard to keep up the faith when you're taking so long to commit. Which could be person A. They're feeling lack of communication. They're feeling that their partner's not, giving them any indication that they want to, have something to do with them or grow with them again or something like that. So the feeling, I'm losing faith here when you're taking so long. When I thought about how bad I hurt you, I literally cried. Maybe that's the reason that person doesn't want to work with them anymore. I wish you would tell me how you really feel so I don't have to get readings on you. I fell so deeply in love with you. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. Maybe they're realizing it a bit too late. How can you love me after I effed everything up with our connection? I think person A realizes why that person is no longer wanting to grow with them. And I'm happy for you. Okay, so let's start your reading. Scorpio, if these messages are resonating with your story. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading for you, Scorpio, with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. And the card I get for you is Pray. Your prayers are being heard. I don't know which side this card is for. Maybe one person needs to put in some prayer for this connection to come back together, or maybe this is for the other person who has been praying, and I do see some new beginnings coming for person B here. The prayers have been heard. All right, so let's start your reading, Scorpio. I'm going to start with the energy of person A. This side could be you, that side could be you, you would know. So 8 of Wands, Spirit in reverse, 8 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody is kind of, person A feels, I don't feel their love anymore. They feel their person is running dry in the love department, no longer offering any love, no longer giving any love, no longer communicating like they used to earlier. They feel that person is no longer interested in having to do anything with them, and there's a lot of stagnancy now in this connection because they feel their person doesn't want to have anything to do with them. They feel because there's been so much conflict and fighting that's happened in this connection, they feel their person has passed judgment on them and doesn't want a second chance with them. Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Yes, they feel that their person has already released them, no longer looking to come back around and grow with them or have a connection with them. They feel released from person B, it seems. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? 10 of Swords in reverse. This connection has already come to an end in the past, I feel. Too much of betrayal, ending, feeling left out in the cold. Either one did or the other did. I don't know who to who, or maybe it just completely kind of ended here. Just give me a second, Scorpio. 1 second, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'll just put my ringer off. Give me a second. Okay, sorry. Okay, so yes, there could have been some toxic behavior which happened in the past. I have the Devil here. Maybe there were addictions here on somebody's part here. Maybe there was alcohol or drugs or sex or whatever addictions, some bad behavior. Anything can be addiction, right? So because of some toxic behavior, this connection has already come to an ending in the past, and which left both of you isolated. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. Yes, it all came out in the open. It was out, the secret was out. Maybe finally they got left behind, or they left their person behind. Maybe they have tried to talk to them, tried to offer, yes, love once again, offer can we get back together, can we build together again, you are my wish fulfillment, I still do love you, because now after it's all ended, I think person A felt totally abandoned and left behind. I think they did come to offer, in the recent past, they may have come to offer love once again, to say, hey, can we do this again? We can still make our wishes come true. I do care for you. I do want to have a family with you. But they were left confused because they didn't see reciprocation coming from person B's end. Now they're realizing that they may not be given a second chance. Their person doesn't communicate with them anymore, doesn't show love anymore, doesn't want to grow with them. So how does person A now feel about person B, or feel about the connection? Page of Wands. I think they see their person off on a brand new journey, and they also, they don't want to end things with person B. They are still kind of trying to hold on to this connection. Even if they can't have this new beginning with person B, I think person A is still kind of heavily spying on them, heavily keeping a watch, keeping a lookout to see, is my person still available? Have they gone off for a brand new beginning? Will they return? Person A is still holding on, I think, to a hope that things can begin once again. We can heal this connection. The broken hearts can be fixed somehow. So yes, person A still has a lot of love in their heart. If they had their way, they would reconnect and start this communication or this connection, a relationship again. But I don't think they are getting reciprocated from the other side at the moment. In fact, they're probably seeing person B as moving on to a new path for themselves. Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Yes, they are spying on person B big time. They're spying on person B to see if person B has already moved on, has a new beginning elsewhere, because person A doesn't want to end this connection. They're still holding on to this hope. Even though I think they've already been told that no, there are no second chances. So what action person A is going to take apart from spying, we'll see later. Scorpio, let's go on to the other side. Let's see how person B is feeling now. Now, I don't know which side you're on. You would know, right? So person B feels the Ace of Wands. Why do they feel this, Spirit? Ace of Wands. Okay, one more. I think person B is pretty committed to themselves at the moment. They are heavily working on themselves. They probably maybe have started some new work or working on themselves, maybe their body, their life, their bank accounts, their work, their business. And they're very excited about this brand new beginning as well. They are fully committed on looking forward and not looking back. Person B has already made that decision, made that choice. The Lovers in reverse. Yes, this person is doing very well. Whoever this person B is, Scorpio, this person is very self-sufficient. They are growing their pentacles. They're taking care of themselves. They're very loving, nurturing, kind and everything. And no wonder person A wants them back, because this is a perfect spouse. But as of now, I think person B has decided it's my time. I've made that decision that it's me first, and I'm going to take care of me, and I'm totally committed to this passionate new beginning that I've chosen for myself. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to come to this? Nine of Swords in reverse. I think they kind of stopped stressing. They stopped bothering, and yes, the person B, I think, started to find their self-confidence. They started looking good, they started feeling good, they started kind of concentrating on being the best version of themselves for themselves, and they got rid of stressing and worrying about any toxicity which they may have experienced from person A's end or of this connection. They stopped fighting for this connection in the recent past, from what I see. Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse. Yes, they decided, I don't want to work with you. There is no working together. I've tried it and it's only made me feel stuck in life. So I don't think I want to work with you. I don't want to fight for this connection. I'm dropping you. Person B has decided to drop fighting for this connection. And person A is feeling that. They are understanding that, yes, there's nothing coming backwards from person B's end anymore. But person A is not still letting go. That's the worrying part. They're still wanting this. They're still wanting maybe to send them a message or communicate with them, still spying on them, still holding on to the connection, hoping they can get a restart here. But from person B's end, I don't see any energy going towards person A at the moment. Why is that, Spirit? What does person B feel about this connection or feel about person A now? Strength in reverse. Yes, they feel this is not worth fighting for. My person is not strong, or they are always selfish, or they have bad habits, they are self-indulgent, and they've never made me feel strong in a connection. So person B is quite adamant. This card has kind of come out twice for them already, saying, hey, I'm not fighting for this connection, not worth fighting for, because I'm not going to go back to a person who never gave to a connection, who was always too self-indulgent, never took action towards the right things, never made me feel strong in a connection. Person B is telling me, I've already released this connection, Omkara Tarot. I don't want any more toxicity in my life. And this was the key reason, right? There was toxic energy here in the past, which person A knows. So person B says, no, no, I'm not going to be in a connection which is toxic. Oh, person B knows, yes. Person B knows that person A is spying on them, but they are doing their best to keep themselves very guarded. I think person B already knows that, eyes are on them, somebody is always watching them, trying to gather information on them, but person B has their boundaries well in place now to say, you can watch all you want, but you're not coming over to my side now because I've already taken off. I'm already on my chariot and I'm charging towards something else. Okay, so person A, will you take any action now in this connection? Three of Wands. They are waiting. They are waiting. What are they waiting for? Three of Wands. They are waiting. Oh, they want a future. They're probably thinking maybe later on, yes, they can have victory in this connection. That's why they're spying. That's why they're trying to keep tabs on person B to see, I hope they haven't started something new, because they see person B in their future. Sooner or later, I will be back with them and I will have victory in this connection because whatever, I don't know. Yes, they are dreaming of having this stability back with person B. No wonder they are spying. Okay, so person B, what about you? Will you take any action towards person A now? They're desperate to have you back. The Fool. Person B saying, I've already leapt off this cliff, Omkara Tarot. I'm already on to my brand new beginning. The Fool. What's this Fool card as action from person B's end? Yes, person B feels this has already ended. This has already ended. 10 swords were enough. I'm not waiting around for another set of 10 or 11s to be plunged in my back. I've been through all this toxicity in my life. I'm done with this. I'm not accepting. I'm not offering. It's over and out. I'm already on to my brand new beginning. I'm already on my chariot. I'm halfway out towards my goal. So what was this 10 of Wands spirit then? 10 of Wands. Oh, yes, somebody is now feeling, I think this is person A, feeling very, very, very overwhelmed. And now maybe they are praying now. They are in hermit mode because they've been left behind, or they're alone, or they're thinking of all that they've done, and this is really overwhelming them, burdening them, that they've lost their 10 of Cups. But they still want it. They still want it, and now they're overwhelmed as to how to get this back. They're trying to pray maybe, or connect with their God or whatever to say, hey God, I've done so much, and please, 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 can I have my 10 of Cups back? But the problem here is person B has already jumped off that cliff and gone off for a brand new beginning. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.